Hello everyone, I hope you all are well. Each day brings us new hopes, and there are some special days when we feel like having something new. So, I am sharing some new recipes today which I usually cook at home when we feel like having something special and most importantly, easy to cook. In this video, I am sharing new recipes, so make sure you will stick around till the end of the video. At first, I am going to cook an experiment with fox nuts. I am going to cook Indian style food today. All I am doing is dry roasting fox nuts. For this, take some oil in a pan, let it heat for a while, then add half of the fox nuts, as it will give nice flavor and texture to the gravy. Once they are done, keep them aside and crush them lightly. Now in the same pan, take some oil and let it heat for a while. Then add bay leaf, cloves, cardamom, cumin seeds, then add chopped garlic clove and let it roast them. I have prepared onion tomato puree by grinding it together in the mixer grinder. Let it cook completely, and when oil starts to release from the sides, we will add some spices like turmeric powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, red chili powder and kitchen king. Mix them well and add some water. Now I am adding parboiled green peas, roasted and crushed fox nuts and some raw fox nuts as well. Mix them well, add some salt to taste, let it cook for a while, and at the end add some kasuri methi, and your gravy is ready to serve. Now let's begin to work on parathas. For this, we have to take the combination of wheat flour and maida. To make it flavorsome, add some salt, chopped green chilies, coriander leaves, some crushed carom seeds. Mix all dry ingredients and then knead it with water and let it rest for another 20 minutes. In the meantime, I am going to cook murabba. It is sweet raw mango chutney. It is one of the authentic Sindhi dish made with the use of raw mangoes and some spices. Traditionally, raw totapuri mango is used to make this, but if you don't get one, you can use any raw mango. Firstly, you have to peel it and chop it in wedges. Sprinkle some salt over it and keep it aside. The ratio of raw mango to sugar must be 1:1. It means equal amount of raw mango and sugar. First, add sugar and 1/4 cup of water in a pan and let it cook for a while. Once sugar is dissolved, go ahead and drop in mango wedges. Mix them and let it cook them for a while. The sugar syrup must be at single string consistency. After that, we have to add some spices like cumin seeds, cloves, cardamom, cinnamon stick and bay leaf. You have to add these spices quickly and let it rest them for another 5 minutes and switch off the gas, or else the sugar syrup will turn thick. At the end, add some red chili powder and poppy seeds. You can store it in any glass container for a month or two. It makes nice sweet and spicy side dish with food. Let's start with parathas. After 20 minutes of rest, we have to knead the dough properly and make small balls to make rotis or parathas. Roll it using rolling pin. Preheat the tawa properly and roast the roti well from both sides. Add some drops of ghee or clarified butter to enhance the taste. Serve it hot. I had cooked jeera rice to complete the meal. Your easy peasy meal is ready to eat. The next meal is sabudana. People usually have it during fast or breakfast. We like to have it in dinner sometimes. So you have to wash and soak sabudana well in advance, at least for 5 to 6 hours. Today I am sharing recipe of sabudana which one can also have during fast. You have to add water mindfully while soaking so that it won't become sticky. Then add salt in a soaked sabudana. In a pan, take some oil, let it heat for a while, add some green chilies, then add crushed groundnuts and roast them properly. Once they are roasted, add boiled potatoes, mix them well and let them cook. You can add more cooking oil if needed. Then transfer soaked and salted sabudana in a pan and mix it well. To enhance the taste, add a teaspoon of ghee or clarified butter and mix it well. Cover it and let it cook on low to medium flame till sabudana became transparent. Voila! Your easy peasy lazy day meal is ready to eat. Serve it with a lemon wedge and enjoy. I hope you liked today's video and various recipes of it. Do like, share and subscribe to the Urban Ideas. Bye bye.